Hi, Caudullo here, and do you know what your most expensive asset is, your most valuable? You might say your camera, maybe your lenses. How about your computer? But if you guessed any of those, you're missing the most important and most expensive asset that you have, your video content files. You might say, no problem, I've got them on a hard drive. Well, I've got some shocking news for you if that's what you think. Hard drives are temporary storage. Yes, you heard it right, temporary. They last on an average of 3 to 5 years. That means if you're like most, you have one precious copy of your video content that has the potential to make you money every day and the danger of being lost forever. And some of those are totally irreplaceable. So what do you do about hard drives? Well, let me tell you my solution. Early on, hard drive prices were high and storage sizes were small. But that has changed dramatically. Now, there are many good deals to be had. What's the best setup for your hard drives? Well, that's going to depend on how you set up your computer. But here's what I do. I use a 2-drive RAID 0 for speed on my desktop as my working drive. That's built-in internal. Then I have hard drive sets of 2 each. One is a main and one is a backup. Remember, hard drives are temporary storage. This way, if one fails, it's highly unlikely that the other will fail at the same time. Redundancy is your friend. Now, I like to use raw hard drives. Mostly, I'm in favor of the Western Digital Blue hard drive, and at least 4 terabyte. No cases, no extra power supplies that can fail, and they cost less. Although I have lately been using these Western Digital 5 terabyte MyPassport Ultra Blue portable external hard drives. They're USB-C and USB 3.1 compatible. The price is a great value, and they have proved to be very sturdy. Now, I use 2 methods for reading my hard drives. The first is a trayless hot swap mobile rack. This is the one that I like to use. And by the way, this is my Amazon affiliate link in the bottom, so please use it. It'll help me out and won't cost you any more money. The tray allows me to put my drives in and even hot swap them out when I need to change them. I also utilize an external docking station like this one. It's USB-C 3.0, and it also doubles as a duplicator to back up those drives. Now, I started out using the mobile drives in the field with my Dell G7 7790 laptop, which is, by the way, is still available on Amazon. It's a fantastic machine. I find the smaller footprint and reliability has gotten me to implement them in normal in-studio workflow. I did beef up the original operating system on my Dell by increasing the RAM to 64 gig and switching out the operating drive to a Samsung 980 Pro M2 Gen 4 NVMe SSD. A lot of letters there. But the original configuration served me very well for quite some time. So we've covered the 2 major components that will govern your plan for increasing your profit as a video creator. Next time, we're going to look at another way, another tool to increase your profit from your video content.